Hi, my name is George Gianaris. I'm a chef and a restaurateur of 43 years. And if you're new to this channel, I want to tell you a little bit about why I'm here. I want to show you how to purchase bulk organic ingredients either at club warehouses or online and use those ingredients so that the cost comes out just about as much as if you were non-organic. And also, I want to show you each week how to use those ingredients efficiently so that you don't waste them. One of the things I came across which is really interesting is this product called Konjac Shirataki pasta. And I'm glad I tried it before I read the Amazon reviews online because it got terrible reviews. But let me tell you something, this product here is truly a miracle noodle. There's a couple of reasons why it got bad reviews on Amazon. When you open this stuff, it reeks of fish. It's horrible. So you need to rinse it extremely well. And once it's rinsed, it smells like nothing. I believe the reason why this thing got terrible reviews on Amazon is because people were expecting it to taste like spaghetti or have the texture of spaghetti, and it doesn't. Not even remotely close. It's more like a glass noodle or a bean thread noodle. What's great about this stuff is that it has only 20 calories and almost no carbohydrates. Now, even though I'm on a keto diet, I really don't miss carbs. But you know what I do miss? Texture. I miss flaky phyllo dough. And sometimes I miss pasta. So when I need to fill that void, this stuff does a great job. So today we're gonna make a super filling, super delicious, super awesome Thai-style konjac noodle using coconut oil and peanut butter. I just want to give a quick shout out to my buddy Harvey Passes, who is a dentist in Great Neck, and he's the best dentist around. I don't know if you're ever in that area. He's been doing it for 40 years. But for my 50th birthday, he gave me this amazing Miyabi knife, which is just spectacular. It's made of MR63 stainless steel, and I'm gonna make a knife like this, you know, like 25 years from now when I have the free time. This is such an easy dish, you have to give it a try. So go to my website, awarehousechef.com, and download the full recipe. I give this a 2 out of 10 on the PETA scale. Please continue to watch my videos and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.